Hi guys, and welcome back to our video. Today we making an umbrella so you can put the lights on and turn. Hi Daddy.
Okay.
And you have to put them in the corner, and guess what? We have to turn them on and then change different colors.
Hi guys, he's already introduced you to our video. We are going to be setting up an umbrella that I got like 2 weeks ago, but the grandkids would not allow me to put it up until they came. So they are here today, guys. So we're going to put this umbrella up, and we got this umbrella from where did we get it from?
Oh yeah, I know.
We got this umbrella from Old Time Pottery.
Yeah.
And all of their outdoor patio sets are 50% off, guys. So if you want to rack up, go to your nearest Old Time Pottery. The name of this umbrella is the East End Patio. As you can see, it was $29. Guys, I paid only $15 and some change. It comes in this cool plastic, so you want to save this plastic so at the end of the season, guys, you can put it back in. Okay. Wait a minute, you gonna get in it?
Cut off.
Who hair cut off?
It's your hair. It's half cut off.
Yeah, half of my hair is cut off. So like I said, it comes in this plastic, and you want to keep the plastic so at the end of the summer or the fall, you can put your umbrella away and store it back together. So this is the top piece, guys.
Oh yeah.
And he chose red, but they have like different colors. And it comes with this pole right here.
And it comes with this little pointy thing.
Okay.
Move it
So they're not really that far apart.
You made this hole. Wait, has that hole been there?
Right here. You see this little hole right here? You have to line this part in the hole.
Wow. It looks pretty awesome in here.
Okay? So now we got it. Excuse me.
Come on, Daddy, no, let's
They sit up like that?
I don't have it in there, do I?
No, not in the blue hole.
Where is it?
You gotta slide it
Right
over.
here. Go up. Go up.
Slide it over.
Yeah, slide it over.
Come here. No, Ma, you gotta slide the thing over some.
What, this blue thing?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Nuh-uh. Slide.
Slide it over.
Slide
Can
it.
you come and take this off and get all this action?
Action makes something happen.
Okay. Oh, it's okay. Then you got it?
No.
You have to open it up and then clip it.
But it's too hard for me.
No, it's not.
Uh-huh.
Look. But you know what? This may be a little hard. Okay, and this is the way they're going to hang. I'm just going to come back out later on, take the paper off. So the only thing you have to do is just crank it up. You got it? Hold on. Let me hold it. Go ahead.
What about this spoon?
You got it? See, I couldn't do this, guys, because I had to wait till they come. You know, we are so useless as grandparents when you have grandkids at that.
Is that enough?
Yeah, this may be enough right here. Thing on it. So this is what we have for $15. Plus the lights were $1.49. I mean, you cannot beat this deal, guys. So we're about to end this video. Do you little people have anything else to say?
Yeah.
What you got to say?
Can we turn them on?
Well, you have to wait till it gets dark and they'll automatically come on. And we're going to come back and shoot another video so they can see what it looked like at night. Camille, do you have anything that you want to say before we end the video?
Say it.
We saw the rainbow at the beach.
Okay.
And I got something else to say. And we when sister was at the movies. There was a new one, and I know the name of the movie.
Well, you have to look at the camera and tell them.
And it was a new movie, and I know the name and the number because it's the Transylvania 3, and they was at the beach.
They was?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
And there's a mean guy telling her dad the wrong truth that she was trying to kill
Okay, but that's for another video. We're talking about an umbrella. Okay, we'll shoot another video on that movie that you were talking about. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. Hey, guys, this is what these lights look like. Let me see. So you can see them. Okay. It is almost dark. Not quite dark, but it was dark enough for these lights to actually turn on. And they do turn different colors, guys. And I'm telling you, they are very, very, very cute. So I am looking forward to some cookouts. Yep. Letting you see them turn different colors. This one is turning like a green. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This one's turning green, blue, red, and a green looking color. No, that's blue. Blue. I think it turns about 4 different colors, guys. So guys, and there's more family that's sitting on the porch talking. That's what it's all about, guys. And the kids are running around. They are going to be good and tired. Hi, Camille. Yeah. When kids come to grandma's house, I'm telling you, it is nothing but fun. So when they get ready to go home, they are going to be good and tired. Guys, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, like, share this video, comment below, and no, leave it. I'm ready to take a picture.